Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change font on Notion. While Notion doesn't allow custom font uploads, it provides 3 built-in text styles to personalize your workspace. You can choose between the clean default style, the elegant serif option, or the distinct monospace font. This simple adjustment can significantly alter the visual feel of your pages, making your content more engaging and tailored to your preferences. To begin, open your Notion workspace and look for Settings and Members in the left-hand sidebar. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select My Notifications and Settings. This action will open a new window where you can manage various aspects of your Notion experience. Scroll down within this window until you find the Appearance section, which houses the options for your global font style. Once you are in the Appearance section, you will clearly see the 3 font style choices: default, serif, and mono. Simply click on the radio button next to the style you wish to use. For instance, if you prefer a more classic look, select serif. If you like a modern, fixed-width text, choose mono. Your chosen style will immediately apply to all text within your Notion workspace, providing a consistent aesthetic. Beyond the global font styles, Notion also allows you to vary text appearance using different block types. For example, using Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3 blocks will automatically apply larger, bolder text. Callout blocks provide a distinct background and icon, while code blocks display text in a monospaced font, ideal for code snippets. These block-specific styles offer additional ways to visually organize and highlight your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.